Hi viewers and students, today we are going to discuss about just some CSS examples in this video. So we are continuing this Uncodemy video series, and in this video series we are going to discuss about the CSS Flex. So how Flex plays a major important role in the CSS. Let's discuss this. See, in CSS, if we want to manage the content according to the screen size of an object, like if we have a laptop, if we have a mobile, and if we want to see all the contents of a website in both mobile as well as in a laptop, so we have to use media query for that. And in that media query we are using CSS only. But if we want to use some different aspect of the CSS, that is the Flex also, we can also control the content using the Flex also. So in a Flex CSS, we can the main important attribute is the display flex. So whenever we want to control the box model using the CSS Flex, we use display flex, and then we specify the height and width also in the CSS, and then we can use their justify content center and align item center. So in regards of this CSS Flex, we have three things to be maintained in our code. First is display flex, second is justify content, and third is the we have to use in align item center. But we have some more options available for this, like wrapping. So here we have a flex wrap. In the flex wrap we can wrap the content in a proper width size of the screen, and there are many things that we can manage the content using the flex. So this is the important part of a CSS where the flex is used. So in a flex we can easily tackle the problems of maintaining the media queries in the CSS. So this is the easiest part of the, we can also say this is easy to maintain the flexibility of div or the responsiveness of the website. Thank you viewers and watching for this video. So we will continue to bring up new videos like these, and if you have any question regarding these videos, you can also type on the comment box so that we can make some useful videos for this. Thank you.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number